Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. So before going to the topic, please subscribe the channel and share the video. So friends, today we are going to discuss common errors in C language. Actually, why we get errors in C language? Because C is a structured programming language. So it follows some syntaxes and it follows some rules. So we have to follow that to get the correct output, to get the result, expected result. So friends, we will see some of the common errors which we will make while writing a program. What is an error? Errors are the problems or the fault that occur in the program. So if we write a program without following the proper syntaxes and proper rules which are designed by the compiler, then when we execute that program, the compiler will throw an error. So this is also called as an abnormal state of a program. The error is also called as fault or a bug. What is abnormal state of a program? The abnormal state of a program defines that the program does not give the expected output or a result. So it may give a wrong answer or it may gives an errors. So this is called a bug. Error is also called as a fault or a bug. The process of removing bug or error is called as debugging. So to get the expected output, we must debug the program. So we must remove the errors from the program. So let us discuss few errors which we will make while writing a program. The most common error is syntax error, and the second is runtime error. These are the two errors we will most commonly make while writing a program. And the third one is linker error, logical error, and semantic error. We will make these errors very few. So let us discuss one by one. So first, syntax error. What is an syntax error? The syntax error is nothing but if we doesn't follow the proper structure or proper format of the program. Suppose printf. If we does not follow the printf structure or printf syntax, then it will encounter a error. So that is nothing but a syntax error. Syntax errors are nothing but if it doesn't follow the proper structure, then it will throw a syntax errors. Syntax error is also called as compilation error. Why we call syntax error as a compilation error means the syntax error will encounters only when compilation process is going on. The compiler will throw these syntax errors while compiling the program. So that's why we call it as compilation error. So let us discuss few syntax errors. I want to declare a variable as an integer. I want a is an integer format. So what is the rule for making a variable as an integer? The rule for making a variable as an integer is rule 1. It should be a 3 characters, that is int. And the rule 2, these 3 letters should be in smaller case. It should not contain any big letters. So in the first one, int is having all 3 letters are having in smaller case. So that is a correct format and correct rule for declaring a variable as a integer. See the second one. It is a combination of capital letters and small letters. So in is having a capital letters. So it is not following a format for declaring a variable as an integer. So if we write this second one, it definitely throws an error. So this is called syntax error. Let us discuss few examples while executing the program, by also executing the program. In the first example, I am missing the semicolon. See the output, we will get the error. Here see, printf allow world, expected semicolon before the flower bracket token. And the second example is, here I'm not declaring a value. That means the compiler does not know what is a, whether it is an integer, whether it is a character, or whether it is a float. We have to declare that element. In the program I have not declared here, so I have written in the comments not declaring a variable. See, the correct declaration is, the correct statement is int a equal to 5. Then see the output what we will get. See, error, a undeclared. Okay, next example is, here I am giving extra flower bracket. For the main function, closing and ending braces should be there, but here I am giving extra brace. So for that, what is the error is expected declaration or statement at end of the input. So this is the output when we give extra brace for a program.